Today we're going to look at the Choice65, a mechanical keyboard that has recently hit the market and is creating a buzz for all the right reasons. On initial inspection, the Choice65 immediately stands out as a beautiful blend of elegance, functionality, and value. Crafted in a minimalist 65% layout, this keyboard appears compact and convenient to handle, yet promises a full-bodied typing experience, foam included. Looking at the simple and sleek aesthetic of the Choice65, the subtleness of the thinner side frame contrasting with the thicker top and bottom creates a pleasant balance, making this keyboard a lovely addition to any setup. Now let's dive a little deeper into the specifications. The keyboard's case is fabricated from 100% full CNC 6063 aluminum, like most keyboards. It's finished with the same process as they used in the Dolphin S75, and the surface is as smooth as silk to the touch. The weighty stainless steel bottom and diamond-shaped E-coat brass badge add a sense of solidity without compromising the keyboard's overall portability. The Choice65 offers a plethora of color options: 2 anodized case colors, royal blue and forest green, and 3 combo case colors. You can choose the contrast of E-white and copper, the striking pairing of wine red and black, or a playful mix of pink and white. One of the Choice65's distinguishable features is its unique mounting system. The use of 2mm pour-on pads on the plate itself, resulting in an even distribution of force across the keyboard. This decision creates a consistent typing experience and makes the assembly process much simpler. The only con I can think of is that this really puts you in a specific box of its foam configurations. Due to this mounting style, you can't really go full foamless. You're forced to use this plate foam that acts as the gaskets for the keyboard assembly. Let's go a little deeper into that and how it sounds, and I'll build it in all its configurations that are possible. So this is the configuration that is closest you can get to a no foam one, as the PCB foam acts as the gasket in between the plate and the case, and the silicone dampening pad is meant to be placed in between the plate and the top case. The silicone dampening pad is definitely driving that deeper sound profile. Theoretically, you can run a no foam setup and it definitely doesn't sound bad, but you risk the issue of a wobbly assembly. You could go without the PCB foam and use the case foam only, but again, this isn't intended, so any issues you run into will be at your own risk. But this is what it sounds like. Overall, this is a creamy, foamy keyboard geared towards those that like that sound profile, and I can definitely see this being loved by first-time builders. It's safe to say this keyboard is for those that like it deep. Sounding, that is. I'm sure there are ways to make this sound clackier with specific switches, but unfortunately for me, I could only make this keyboard sound deep or even deeper. But what really sets the Choice65 apart in the saturated mechanical keyboard market is its incredibly reasonable pricing. Starting from just $120, it offers a level of features and quality that you would typically expect from higher end models. It's a perfect testament to the idea that affordability does not have to come at a cost of material quality or workmanship. If you're looking for your first custom keyboard, this would probably be a high recommend for me. With enough options to tinker with and starting just at $120, it's hard to say that this is a bad buy, unless you're looking for something on the higher pitch sound spectrum. In conclusion, the Choice65 offers an astounding blend of affordability, quality, and functionality. It doesn't just meet expectations at $120, it somewhat exceeds them. Aesthetically, it's a beautiful keyboard regardless of the $120 price point. So if you are looking for your first keyboard, the Choice65 is an investment worth considering. Like and subscribe.